simple. You just go over here, click on share, download the HTML, click on standard HTML, and click on export. Then you'll simply go to your web provider. In this specific case, I'm using Hostinger. If you do want to sign up, I'll leave a discount and a link in the video description. But all you'll do is go to add websites, click on HTML website. In this case, I'll just use a temporary domain. Then I'll go to my file manager. I'll click on open. Next, I'll select public HTML and I'll delete this file. I will now download the HTML file. I'll click on download. Then I'll take this file right here and I'll just drag and drop it into the public HTML. All right, cool. Then I'll rename this to index.html. So I'll click on rename. So index.html, click on rename. And the website's now live. So let's check it out. Over here, I'll go to Hostinger and I'll click on open preview. And here is our new live website on a brand new domain. So that's a really quick way how to just throw up your website on a brand new domain. Now, the second method involves taking a screenshot of any website that you find on the internet, and then we'll use ChatGPT to create the same images from those websites. Now, the beauty of using this method is you can use ChatGPT to generate images based off that initial design. You can alter or change them. You can also adjust the fonts and change the color palette, so you're not really taking away from that initial design. Now, the first thing you'll do is go to a website like Dribbble or Behance, or you can